Have you ever thought of becoming a professional in your career? Hi, I am George Varghese, former training director of Indian YMCA. In this presentation, I will be talking to you on professionalism for growth. This will have 4 episodes. The first one, Introduction to Professionalism. The second one, Characteristics of Professionalism. The third and the fourth one, Elements of Professionalism, and a conclusion. Who is a professional? What is professionalism? These two words are buzzwords in the present day management world. Traditionally, professional means a person who obtained a degree in a professional field, which is a specialized education like medicine, engineering, chartered accountancy, etc. The dictionary gives us various meaning for a professional such as skilled, proficient, qualified, expert, etc. The Wikipedia gives many definitions to professionalism, but the following has caught my attention. High quality work, high standard of professional ethics, behavior and work activities while carrying out one's profession, and reasonable work morale and motivation. To me, professionalism is not just a qualification, but demonstration of insight and commitment to engage in ideas that are synonymous with growth. When I say growth, it's having 2 dimensions. One is the personal growth of the person who is involved in it, and the second one is the growth of the organization or the society one is involved with. So, a professional is one who shows the skill, demeanor, or high standard of conduct in a particular profession. From this, it is inferred that professionalism is a way of behavior. Having such behavior is simple, but consistent application of them is not so simple. But being a true professional takes thought and effort. It is an ongoing growth process. This presentation challenges the traditional perspectives of professionalism, leading to reconceptualization and growth. As I already said, personal growth and growth of the organization or the society. Professionalism is a passionate desire to reconnect with the core values, behaviors, and practices which exemplify the very best in what one is doing. William Osler, a medical professional, said, "You are in the profession as a calling, not as a business, as a calling which extracts from you at every turn self-sacrifice, devotion, love, and tenderness to your fellow men." Even though Osler is talking about medical professionals, it is true of every profession. We must incorporate the above 4 practices into the meaning of professionalism, that is, self-sacrifice, devotion, love, and tenderness, to exemplify whatever we do. This is the challenge we face today, to transform our professions into vocations, which literally means a calling. That is, your profession is a divine calling. When you start understanding that your profession is a divine calling, there starts your growth as a professional. Generally, the predominant thought pattern that prevails is that only certain jobs need to be performed professionally. It's a wrong notion. Regardless of the type of the job, whatever we do needs to be done professionally. From a person who is cleaning the office to the administrator, the person who is greeting the customer at the reception desk to the general manager, all can be professional in their own way. It's your approach to the job and how you perform it. James R. Ball said in his book, "Professionalism is for everyone." When you are a true professional, You will always be able to look in the mirror and say, I like who I see. I like what I am. I am proud of what I stand for. So it's a way of doing things by adding a little extra to whatever you are doing. It is optimizing your efficiency and effectiveness. In the effort to be professional, you need to be careful that the real, authentic personality should never be replaced by a fake personality. In the present day management world, we can see that many people put in a fake personality to show that they are professionals in whatever they are doing, which is wrong. Work ethics need to be your personal commitment while showing up and working to the best of your ability. Professionalism is the search for high standards, personal excellence, and admirable values at work. It is not an abstract ideal, but a necessity for any work grounded in practical behaviors you can practice. So, professionalism is adding values to what you are doing and high standard behavior in your approach. Thank you and hope to see you in the next episode, which is on characteristics of professionals.